Hello. I'm just gonna be.
Hello.
This is like a recreation of Leon's very beautiful video of him rating what controllers he would shove up his asshole. So I felt like doing the same thing too. So here is gonna be my tier list. So first off, we'll start off with the GameCube controller. That shit,
I think it was so far.
that shit would fucking hurt. I'm like, there's no explanation. You could just hell that if the whole fucking controller is just up your ass. Yeah, no. Um, the Nintendo Switch controller that's like not connected to like the big ass screen or the little like controller that you use. I don't know what the fuck. Um, I would give it like a B. I really don't know. Let me fucking grab it. Thank you. Um, the regular Nintendo Switch. S. Wait, what the fuck is that?
Regular Nintendo Switch S. Shove that up your ass.
The Logitech. I have no fucking idea. It looks just the generic ass video game controller. I'll just put in like C. The Logitech the Logitech controller that was used on the Titan submarine. It's just the same thing, so I'm just also gonna put in a C. Okay,
E.
that shit would um that shit would fucking hurt. F. The N64 controller. S. There's you know already. Best controller if you want.
S.
Yeah. Now we got
Shove up your ass.
the first.
Oh wait.
Wait, actually no. The first PlayStation controller that came with the DualShock. Shit. Put in like a B-ish. I'll change it later, but I think that's pretty good for now. Most of the PlayStation controllers that kind of look the same until like the PlayStation 5. So I'll just put all the PlayStation controllers in the same like tier because they're just all the same. Um, the PlayStation 5. This shit looks like a boomerang. I don't think I'm not getting that shit out, bro. Now the Nintendo SNES controller. That's a good spot to put in. Wait, what the fuck is that ugly ass piece of shit? I have no idea. No. Hey, yeah, no. I'm gonna move up the
See.
I'm moving up the first gen controller for the first Nintendo console. The Nintendo Switch Pro controller. I'll put in A. Now the Wii like gamepad. No. The Wiimote though. Now the Wii U controller. I'll give it a C. Now the Xbox 360. There's no questions why. Now the first generation Xbox Duke controller. The smaller version of the first generation. Fucking mid. I'll put in D. Now the just Xbox 360 and above. See, just kind of. Alright, so that is my tier list on what video game controllers I would shove up my ass. Alright, bye.